Welcome to Why Use Herbs. The herb today is peppermint leaf. What is peppermint leaf? It is an herb which is found in many mouthwashes and toothpaste to create that refreshing taste in your mouth. It is a great after dinner tea to encourage good digestion, or inhale peppermint to combat nail congestion. The refreshing aroma promotes a natural clarity. How to use peppermint leaf. This is a wonderful herb to use if you make your own soaps. It's also wonderful to use as a refreshing foot bath. How to use peppermint leaf topically. Get a large container which allows your feet to stretch out. No cramping allowed. Add the peppermint and other herbs such as rose, lavender, and orange peel to the container. Pour hot water into the container and stir gently. Wait for the water to return to a safe temperature, as we do not want your feet to burn or for you to have any kind of discomfort. Place your tired feet into the container and just feel the relaxation. When you are done, dry your feet off and you're ready to go. When to take peppermint. Always talk to your healthcare professional first, and if approved, you can drink peppermint tea anytime during the day. It can be used with or without food. Safety and quality. Herbs should be quality tested for your safety. GMP certified, as well as tested for heavy metals and pesticides. Cautions. As with all herbs and supplements, never use while pregnant or nursing without your physician's approval. Taste of peppermint. Sweet, yet pungent, and very aromatic. Peppermint is cooling to the body. What can you combine with peppermint? It works well with lemon balm, lavender, and chamomile. The herbal actions of peppermint are a calmative and gastric stimulant. Why use herbs? Herbs benefit the body by promoting natural healing and focusing on enhancing the body's natural responses. Herbs can be used on their own, but know that you have the option of making combinations, which will usually give a greater effect than a single herb. We here at Why Use Herbs hope you have enjoyed this presentation. We ask that you visit us often and leave us feedback on how we can improve. For the latest information on herbs and mushrooms, visit us, Why Use Herbs.